Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Waking Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to save a route on Google Maps. Whether it's for your daily commute, a vacation road trip, or your favorite biking trial, if you never want to lose your way, then you can easily save routes like a pro. Launch open your Google Maps app on your device and then head over to the Explore page after logging in with your Google account. Now, from the home page, go to the top of the screen and tap the search box and type in your destination. After looking for your destination, click on directions at the bottom. Now, pick how you are getting there, by bus, car, walking, or by flight. Just make your selection from the menu at the bottom and then tap on the save button at the bottom right. After you do that, your trip will now be saved. To find the trips, click on See Trip button and you will be able to save your route or trip inside the saved trip option. So that is how you will be able to save your trip or save your route on Google Maps. You are now ready to go whenever you are. You can also share your saved routes with family or friends. All you need to do is to simply share your route by tapping the share icon and selecting the contact from your contact list. So that's how you easily save a route on Google Maps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.